Hey guys, welcome to my channel where we organize and make things beautiful. I'm Des and this is Sort and Style. Guys, I put up a background on the TV because you could see my reflection. I figured this is a better alternative. Feels Christmassy, we feel Christmassy, and we're gonna now carry on with our decorations. Today, we are doing our fireplace mantle. So if we do a bit of an asymmetrical with a garland coming down here, will look quite cool. I think so. I don't know if I'm gonna pull it off, but I'm gonna try. I think also because I've got a corner couch here, the asymmetrical garland hanging on the side will actually look quite nice. Everything is gonna balance, so I'm loving it. I'm gonna give it a try and we're gonna see if it works. If it doesn't, just change it up. We'll see. So I got like a cable tie and I'm just gonna attach it. These garlands are nice because you can attach it to each other. They've got like this little hoopy thing. See? Whoa. Okay guys, so we've put our green garland on and we've just taken our time. I love how I say we. I have taken our time to just fluff it up nicely. Always try, it takes a while, but just it makes it look so much fuller. So really spend that time in fluffing it up. Guys, actually, I want this to come a little bit more forward because I'm gonna hang stuff, our white fluffy garland that we made. I want to hang it from here. So I don't want this to be too far back. I want it to come nice and close and then hang the white garland. I think that's what it is. I've got these little picks here and I'm just gonna wrap them around, wrap the garland branch around it so that this kind of sticks down. I think that's fine. Let's not overdo it. Okie dokie. Then, okay, so now I'm going to add my woolen garland. Are they hanging equally? Yeah, it's a little bit lower there. Okay, and I'm just gonna kind of like wrap this. Whoa! What did that happen? What happened? Kind of like wrap this around. This is gonna take a while. Okay, then next I'm gonna add these cute little beads, which just go with our neutral, natural feel over the garland. So it's like different texture, Guys, here it looks, you might think it looks funny, but we're going to put bows on. Remember, we've got our ribbon, so I think it will look cool. Next is the candles. Actually, no, I'm not doing the candles. I'm going to put my little Christmas trees that I normally get for my mantle. You can't see this one, and this is my new one. This was my little gift to myself. Every Christmas I get a special Christmas ornament-y thing. And this one was this year's. So I'm just gonna kind of like flatten this here so you can see it. Flatten it, but still look like it's full. And it's meant to look like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my candles. Okay, so I'm gonna use these candlesticks. You see if you put the one next to each other, the one's higher than the other. So it's like, gives that height. And I like them because it's plain. You don't see this, you just see the line, this little piecey here, which is nice and elegant, and I like this one. So. Guys, I got these red candles, but it has like a goldy, shiny tinge to it. And in the light, it's actually looking orange, but it's not. It's red, but I don't know. Let's see if it works. These candles are too small for my candle holders. Okay guys, my candles don't fit in these candle holders. They're too small. My candle holders are too big. So they're moving. So what I'm doing is I'm just gonna put some wax inside the candle holder so it stays still. Then I'm just gonna add these cute little small candles in between so you can't see them, but you'll see the light flickering, and it will go against the branches and will look beautiful. But it's not gonna restrict the view. Okay, then I think the next thing I'm gonna do is I've got stockings that my mom made me last year. We'll see if it goes. Yeah, let's see if it goes. Okay, so it's these 3 Christmas stockings, and you know, there's no red, but I think it could work. This one, if I hide this one a little bit like that, I think it's gonna work. Remember, we're gonna put a bow on the sides as well, so I think we can make it work. And then guys, you know, in South Africa, we don't hang stockings. I mean, it's summertime, we don't have stockings and stuff like that. So there's no stocking holders that I could find. So I made my own. I'm just gonna, I just got a piece of wood with a little hook. See, so simple. And I'm just gonna stick it onto the mantle with press stick. I think it might be too far out. This one. Super cute. Okay guys, so I think it looks really, really nice. And what's nice is because we have this green part coming down here, this here balances it out nicely. So I think it works. And with the bows, everything's gonna be tied in all together. So yeah, I think that's pretty much the last part is the bows. Okay, the bows. I'm either gonna do 2 bows or 3 bows. 1 in the middle. Let's see. I think we have to do 1 in the middle. I want the string part of the bow, if that makes sense, to hang really long. Like I want it to be really long. And I kind of just want the bow to like flop. Okay, guys, so I've cut out my ribbon and I'm just gonna tie it. You know what, even just like this. Do I need to make a bow? Do I? Let's just make a bow. I'm feeling like if I put 3 bows in, it's gonna be like way too much, but I'm just gonna see here. Oh, that's so slow. Guys, I don't think I'm going to put this bow in the middle. I think it's just too much. Like that. Let's do this one in the middle. Okay, I'm going to see how it looks with that bow in the middle, but I think it's too much, but yes. Actually, I'm gonna leave it up. Actually, alright. Okay, so again, guys, to stop it from fraying, I'm just gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut the ends in a nice little, you know, spiky thing, and then I'm gonna push it so the ends don't fray. Okay, guys, now all that's left to do is clean up and light the candles. Okay, guys, and there you have it, our fireplace mantle Christmas styling. I really like the way it came out, and I hope you do too. If you do, leave a comment. And yeah, guys, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.